So my name is Jacob Sanga. I'm from Tindred sub-county in Nandi County, from an organization called Unveiling Youth Group. Today we had an insightful day, a training by NTA. The training was all about the budget making processes, the cycles that the budget undergoes. Mainly we focus at the county government processes. And today I want to confirm that personally I've learned about the processes that are involved. One good thing that we learned today as participants also, among other things, is that of all the stages of the budget implementation, be it formulation, implementation, monitoring and evaluation, and auditing, and also approval, all require citizens to participate. And that was a take-home message that we are going to take back to our community. As much as we want to say that the governments are not doing what they are doing correctly, but also we are involved as citizens. The other thing that also we've learned today was about the budget analysis, which we have been taken through, the parameters that we consider when we analyze the budgets and see, looking backwards, what the county government, or rather what the government has been doing over the last 2 or so years, and what they are happening now, and again what they expect to do to get going forward. The other thing that we've learned is the aspect of county revenue allocation. We know some money comes from national government, and we have other source revenue. And what we've realized in today's discussion is that it's very hard for the county governments to fulfill what they are budgeted for in their own source revenue. For example, we were looking at an example where we are seeing by this quarter, that is almost the third quarter, our county, for example, had collected close to 10% of what they had projected for, and that will have a negative impact in our budgeting, or rather the services that the county government has planned to do that. And I think the knowledge that we have gained, we want to ask to say thank you to NTA for taking up the mantle and also train us, and we want to promise that we are going to take the same to our communities back at home, so that they are also informed. We really wish that NTA continue doing the same program, so that they reach a number of people, so that all of us can be informed. We know currently we are grappling with the aspect of corruption in our country, and it is through such processes that even a community doesn't know. For example, if they are building an ECD in their community, they don't know how much is it costing. We therefore want people to get informed, so that then they can assist, for example, the Auditor Generals in monitoring, or rather auditing the projects at the ground. We know the Auditor General has been doing a very good work, but then we want to ask the community to support what she's doing and the team of Auditor General, so that also we as citizens, we understand that we have a responsibility. As much as we ask for our rights, we should also know that we also have a responsibility to keep the duty bearer at hand, or rather to keep on checking, because we as the right holders, we give them our responsibility. We give them to go and represent us either in national government or in county government, and therefore we are also obliged to make sure that they do what we told them to do especially during campaign period. This is the confession that we want to wish NTA can take it forward, so that then the gaps that we have realized today, for example, the ones on source revenue, can be amplified, so that then the counties can be cautious, or rather be cautious on how they spend the resources that it is a taxpayers' money. Actually, it is from the conversation that we've also enhanced the fact that government doesn't have money. It is from the taxes that they collect, and therefore we have a responsibility. Also, they have a responsibility to spend well that money, and by so doing is by when people understand what is provided for. The other thing is that we also discuss the law. The laws that are also guiding this. One of the laws that we've discussed is the Constitution, and the other one is PFM Act of 2012, and that is very good if we do these things from the point of view. Therefore, we will not be contradicting to anyone, because we will be actually following what the law says. Lastly, I want to ask the duty bearers that are been tasked with the responsibility of utilizing or rather implementing projects that are public funds, that we expect them to follow the law. That is what we are saying as a team now, that let them follow what the law says, so that then if things goes wrong, then they will be liable, because the law is very clear. If they say, for example, you table a document in the county assembly by 14th of February, let that one be observed, so that then we are not caught up by time. Thank you.